Hi guys, welcome to Web Technologies. Let's brace up when it comes to PHP. You've decided to become a web developer. Excellent, what a wonderful choice you've made. At this point you have a basic understanding of HTML and CSS and you're now ready to take the next step, right? No, let's learn PHP from the ground up. The point of this video, the latest version of PHP is the version 7 upward. And we'll actually be starting from how to get PHP installed on your machine. We can possibly install PHP in different forms, which depend on the kind of operating system you're using. We have different operating systems out there, which we have Unix when it comes to Mac operating system. We have the Windows operating system, and we have Linux, whereby we have the hardcore Linux, whereby we can talk about Ubuntu, or we talk about Tomcat, or we talk about Red Hat. We have different types of Linux operating system as well. I'll be talking about the three major operating systems, which is Mac, Linux, and Windows. How are we going to get PHP running on each one of them? If you're using Mac operating system, which is the Unix form of operating system, I will implore you to go through Homebrew. This is the package that manages all Mac OS application. So you can easily install Homebrew from this command line. Once you have Homebrew installed, from there you can search for PHP. Homebrew is just like a sort of repository that houses almost all application you need when you're using a Mac operating system. I will implore you to read more on this if you're actually using Mac, so that you can easily extract PHP into your machine. And if you're using Windows, I will recommend other aspects. We have MAMP. This actually is a full bundle which include Apache, MySQL, and PHP. You can also have this for Mac as well. And you have it for Windows. If you are using Windows, you can test, or you can use MAP. And if you're using Mac as well, you can also use MAP. Just download it and have it on the fly. You don't need to configure anything. You have that wrapped inside a bundle of application. Now you also have WAMP server. This also houses Apache, PHP, MySQL. It's actually very good for Windows operating system. And it's a good starting point for you. If you're using Windows, check out WAMP server, and you can as well check out XAMPP, the XAMPP Apache with MariaDB. You can see XAMPP as extend a version of database where you have the MariaDB, PHP, and Perl. You can also have Perl right there. XAMPP. We have XAMPP for Windows. We have XAMPP for Linux. We have XAMPP for Mac. Whereby we have the extended version of the PHP to PHP 7.1. That's the latest PHP installed with XAMPP. So lay your hands on any one of them based on the kind of operating system you're using. If you're using Linux, I will implore you to check out XAMPP, or you can as well install PHP right there from the command prompt. You can get PHP installed in your machine, not even using any of this package. But for simplicity, just try out XAMPP WAMP at first, so that you can actually take away a lot of headaches, being new to PHP, so you won't face a lot of boilerplate here and there. And if you're using Mac operating system, we implore you to check out Homebrew, learn more about Homebrew, get it installed on your machine. From there, extract PHP. And if you can go through all that, you can check out MAMP, and you can also check out XAMPP. These are all very good packages that will set you ready, fully ready, for using PHP. And if you've actually done all that, you can actually check that from your terminal, just to know the version of PHP you're running. I will check mine from terminal. You just launch your terminal, and you run PHP space -v. Once you have that run, you're going to see the version of PHP that is running on your machine. So once you have that set, you're good to go to start coding the web. So my terminal is coming up. I will actually check the version of PHP that I am running right there on this machine. So I'm going to run PHP -v. You're going to have the version. Okay, so I have version 7.0.15, which is for Ubuntu, and it's a Linux operating system. PHP is right running on this machine. So you must have this prompt. Make sure you have this prompt. If you don't have it, look at your configuration. And if you are using XAMPP, MAP, or WAMP, don't bother about checking out any version. Just install the latest software from them and get yourself set up in PHP. Catch me up in the next part where we'll start talk about what is PHP and what do we have to get while we learn PHP. Thank you very much for hanging out with me throughout this tutorial. I will implore you to stay by to this playlist. It's going to help you. It's going to turn you into a good PHP developer. Never go anywhere. Leave a comment in the comment section. At the same time, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Have a wonderful time. Bye-bye.